Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is LOAT and I am really excited to start this journey with you. I created this channel because I love coding, tech, learning, teaching insights, and I want to share it with all of you in a way that is simple, fun, and easy to understand. On this channel, you will find videos about Python coding, creating websites, learning tips, and tech tutorials. I believe that anyone can learn new skills if it is taught step by step. So my goal is to make every video clear and helpful. A little about me. I'm a computer student, teacher. I'm a computer teacher and student, and I have been learning coding for 3 years. I have faced challenges while learning, and I know how confusing things can feel at first. That is why I want to make this channel a place where beginners feel welcome, confident, and motivated to try new things. I will also share some of my personal experiences, tips for productivity, and advice for staying motivated while learning. You will see me building projects, solving problems, and explaining concepts in a way that is easy to follow. I plan to post video regularly, usually 2 videos per day or 1 video every day, or etc. So there will always be something new for you to learn. My promise is to keep the video short, practical, and full of useful information. So, if you're ready to learn new skills, grow your knowledge, and become confident in coding, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to start this journey with you, and I hope you enjoy learning and growing along with me. Let us do it together. Thank you.